If your Discord keybinds aren't working well in game, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now the first step we need to try is run Discord as administrator. Discord might lack admin permission and the game might be running as administrator while Discord is not. Now to run Discord as an administrator, first just cancel Discord here. After cancel Discord, then go here to the system tray. Also, you can quit Discord. So look for the Discord icon, which is this one. Now just quit Discord. After that, relaunch Discord again. So you can just open Discord. So here is Discord from the shortcut menu. Right click on it and then select run as administrator to give it all the permissions. Now after running it as administrator, then try to check if the keybinds are working. Now if you've done so but you're still facing again the same issue, now enable Discord overlay. Some keybinds need Discord overlay to be enabled. You can just go to user settings and then game overlay. So open your Discord after running it as administrator. Now select these settings here, user settings. Now look for in-game overlay. So scroll down to look for game overlay, or you can just search it here. So search for overlay. So here's game overlay. So click on it, then make sure it's enabled here. If it's disabled, make sure to enable it here. And after that, check if the issue has been resolved. Now, if you've done so, but you're still facing again the same issue, now let's go to the third step, which is reconfigure keybinds. Now, some keybinds may be conflicting with your game. So there may be keybind conflicts due to the same key might be assigned to another function in the game. So you can try to reconfigure your keybinds. Just open your Discord here, then go to user settings, then search for here for keybind, and then select on it. Now make sure to add a keybind here so you can try to reconfigure it, since it may be a conflict between your game and the keybinds that has been assigned. So you can try to change it and assign it in a different way. For example, has been provided here. So try to change your desired function. Example, push to talk normally from this Ctrl+Shift+D to Numpad 1. Since there may be keybind conflicts due to the same key might be assigned to another function in the game. So you can try to reconfigure it and try to change some keybinds and try to check if the issue has been resolved. Now, if you've done so, but you're still facing again the same issue, now use windowed or borderless mode instead of full screen. So you can try to use windowed or borderless mode on the Discord instead of full screen. For example, this is a full screen in Discord. So you can try to use in a windowed mode, for example. This is a windowed mode. You can try to reduce it into a small one. And after that, check if the issue has been resolved. So as written here, use windowed or borderless mode instead of full screen. So this is the best way on how to fix this issue for Discord keybinds aren't working well in game. Let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.